DREAMPLUGG. What is DREAMPLUGG? Let me go to my notes. Because I've been taking notes to make sure I get this right. So this is how I describe it. DREAMPLUGG, basically, first off, we could be Martin True said W show. Basically, the way I could best describe DREAMPLUGG is basically, in terms of producers that we know, you got NSTLGA. That's what I would say the creator is, because that is the DREAMPLUGG enthusiast himself, Mr. Dreamwave himself, the Dream God himself. That is NSTLGA. That is the one who put me on this form of the beat, like how to form the beat like this. That's who put me on like this. Then you got Bisu, who terms of he put me on like kind of like the It's different because Bisu make kind of different beats. I don't know this one. You'll see what I mean when I get into the beat. It's more or less in the sound selection and the type of it's like a different type of groove. I don't know. It's not because it's more, the beat is centered around the melody. That's how I can best explain it. The sound itself is going to be centered around this melody that you're going to be composing. You're not just crafting a beat. You're composing. You're getting in your your Beethoven bag, your Mozart bag. So basically, what is the melody comprised of? First off, this is all you need, bro. The VSTs does not matter. This is all you need. You need an ambient sounding sound, any ambient like pad. You need an ambient piano. You need an orchestral or natural sounding instrument, preferably a piscato string, any like background like string, or a saxophone. What makes it, that's making it like sound like natural. And then the one thing about it's a lot of improvisation. So like I act like a lot of these males I play on my keyboard type shit. Like I went live on IG before this and I cooked. I did it in 20 minutes. I ain't cooked in a whole week. I went crazy. Y'all finna see though. And basically that's the melody, bro. That's all you need for the melody, and then from there just let your creativity go wild. In terms of how to make the melody, how to make better melodies, that's for another tutorial. But let's go straight into FL though. Let's go straight into FL. Okay, class. So we're gonna start with this melody. All I did. This is basically a basic piano. All you need. I played this, but you see, it's basically, this is like how you start a I forgot what they call this. I think it's like a third. I could be all wrong. In the comments, y'all get me. But basically, this would be like a start to a minor ninth. Then I just like in the scale, this would be the next note, and this is just A minor. So this is just all white notes. So if you're just playing on a keyboard, just all white notes, this is equivalent to that. And if I really wanted to just change like the real sound of it, all I have to do is just Control A and transpose it. But it's too late. I already made the whole beat. I'm not finna transpose the whole beat anymore. That's some DREAMPLUGG sauce. That is DREAMPLUGG sauce. Transposing the whole beat, that's something you can do, but I'm a little lazy. Let's go into just the middle. No, this is just literally, it's just one chord, then a second chord, then it's a mel on the top, then a counter mel, another mel on the bottom. So this is 3 melodies, but it's just one. So that's one thing. You want to make a melody start with one melody that's basically 3 melodies. Just make sure you have them chords in there though. And I'll just go up, down, just play it by ear, bro. Ain't hard. But is it slow? Let me know if this is low, bro. This probably is low, shit. Alright, this should be straight though. We'll see. And then all I did was I layered it. I went to my next layer, which is just just ambient pad. Like I said, just another ambient pad. And you notice the drums is very simple, but I'm gonna get to that later. It's a piano. It's a very simple piano. To space it out, this creates rhythm when you layer it out. I didn't layer it out today, but I'm gonna make the beat in after this tutorial type shit. Then another layer. This is just another ambient pad. Then here's that piscato string. Just a natural like rhythm in the background. Keep going. This is fairly simple, to be honest. This is not complicated at all. And just a sign lead I played. This is the improvisation I was talking about, just playing out on top. Shout out SETI. This is some SETI sauce on the mixing. It's a reverb and a flangus. Now on the drums, this is on the drums, basically, in terms of DREAMPLUGG, in terms of true DREAMPLUGG, that's what I'll call it. Only two things is what make, this is the two elements. All you need is these back-to-back hats. That's spaced out. That's all you need is these back-to-back hats right here. And on the claps. The claps or the snares, which the 1, 2, 3, y'all know. And then y'all can use any sound. Nostalgia likes using, sometimes she like using like a house snare. I use the house snare in this one. And one thing that's key, this double hit right here, y'all gonna notice these patterns over time in the like in what do you call this, in the channel rack, and like these red notes, like example, like another thing is a hint of delay on it, like on the second part of the I don't know what this is called, bro. I have to look it up and get my knowledge back up on this. But you want to like space it out. Like usually you would hit it right here. Usually we would put it on this note, but we're gonna take it off and put it on there. So basically it's gonna sound like this. Another thing you could do is if you have some like more perks, like you could so like on these notes, some shit Nostalgia would do is do like he would do something like that, but I just want to go a little bit simpler on this one because I did this little pattern that I like always doing. It goes with that one melody in the back, see? Then with it, in terms of the 808, it's very simple. All you need, just a basic plug 808, but these are basic plug sounds. You don't need no complicated sounds. Keep that in mind. Like you can find all these sounds in a basic plug kit or the AceMaceo Occult Kit. Go cop on my website, acemaceo.com. Shameless plug. But then, or you could just go get a plug kit. Use your own sounds. It's really use your creativity, bro. You don't have to stay refined to what I'm doing. Always remember that. You don't have to do exactly what I'm doing, but just let this be a skeleton. So, and then this is the 808. It's very simple, bro. You ain't gotta do much. But that's DREAMPLUGG though, bro. Not hard at all, to be honest. Anyone, y'all can make this. Y'all can make this. That y'all can really take this and go much farther. My man's Balenci literally is going crazy with Halo Wave, Halo Plug, Bombe Plug. It's literally, this same structure is kind of like Bombe Plug. Is you just, but I'm not giving out the Bombe Plug sauce. I can't give out the Bombe Plug sauce. But if you can see what I just did, you can see what to do. Damn near. You can see what to do if you got the ear for it. But the thing is not to copy. Don't ever copy, bro. If you're gonna copy, use it to learn type shit. This nigga said his cat vibing, crying. But like, I want y'all to go crazy with this, like make your own different waves. DREAMPLUGG, that's what DREAMPLUGG was. It was an inspiration from other waves. I mean, Nostalgia was going crazy with like old Chief Keef beats. Then he liked the plug leads, a lot of plug beats. That's what a lot of people like with what they call DREAMPLUGG is like what I've heard people call DREAMPLUGG is like the Brando beats. And like, I can see why they say that as dreamy, but that's not necessarily like what DREAMPLUGG was intended. That's not what the original was type shit. It's not I'm not saying the beats is bad or anything, but it's not true DREAMPLUGG. It's not that Nostalgia. It's not that AceMaceo. It's not that Bisor. It's not that Seikatsu. It's not that Yukio. You can copy but not paste. Exactly. This make Hermetic spitting. You can copy but not paste. That's real shit. You copy and take the knowledge. You don't paste the knowledge to your own. You take what you like, what you find, and what else you find. Because the thing is, you gonna come across so much other sauce that you can put into this. Like that house snare was not originally a DREAMPLUGG thing. Like that's not a DREAMPLUGG thing. That's just sauce. That's sauce. That house snare in the beat. Someone hearing that in the beat, that's gonna throw them off. Just hearing us in that type of beat type shit. Because them sounds is like, the sound selection is just different. That's what I say make DREAMPLUGG what it is. It's making some shit that's gonna make you like, hold on. Where they find this? Where they find these sounds? Where they find these arps? Where they find these pads? That's the real question. Yeah, man.
Acito.